probably true, yeah.
And y'all go when ready. You have 10 seconds. And your time starts when they cross the start line. So.
And it all came back except for 1 tablespoon.
Yeah. It's the...
Go with her. Let her take it out. I mean, don't let her go inside, but use the whole area.
I know a guy who was the head chef at the Ritz-Carlton there. He said they always measured the oil before and after their fried chicken. And
Yeah.
yeah. You could atomize it.
I don't know how they do it.
Yeah, too much spinach. I used to really like spinach. Too much spinach. It tore me up a couple of times.
We got into this ethic about food being about treasure.